Namaskar, Sujata here for News Plus Views. Today we are at the VAM Summit happening at VAM Expo and Summit happening at NESCO Goregaon. And we have with us Mr. Vidit Kundra. He is the co-head of CG Assemblage Entertainment. And he is very famous. He has become very popular due to his VFX effect in Chava. And other movies, of course, he has done. So he himself will tell us what exactly he is famous for and what his company is doing. Mr. Vidit Kundra, sir, please.
Hi, as I was introduced, I am OCG head Assemblage. We predominantly do a lot of animation work, but we were fortunate enough to get to work on a movie like Chava. Lakshman Uttikar had a vision to do a lion sequence and like a full VFX heavy sequence. And I think it was a privilege to work on a movie like Chava. We were fortunate to do the lion sequence, and it's a very high complex sequence which has a lot of intense battle. So we did a lot of creature work, a lot of muscle simulation, a lot of realistic animation. We studied a lot of lion, how it moves, how it animates. So the whole process was pretty interesting, and it was great to work with Lakshman sir and get his vision right.
Sir, can you tell us about any challenging sequence you did for Chava?
So we had one full big sequence, the Buranpur. Buranpur is the starting of the Chava, the whole film. The movie starts with the whole first shot, which is full CG. It's an introduction to Buranpur. So I think the challenge was to make it as realistic as we can. We sat down with the art director. We even built structure very similar to what it would look like in that era. So we had to get our history correct, our structures correct. Then the amount of people, the crowd system we had to do for that sequence. Just to get life to that shot, add a lot of elements. Even the trees that you see are actually moving. If you really see it carefully, they're moving trees just to give more depth. So it's important. It's not just the technology, it's also the skill set or your emotion that you put in, right? The animation that you put in, just keep more lively. There are birds flying, just to add more drama to the shot. So for all the students out there, I would say if you're doing an environment work, make sure you look at that shot one more time. If you can watch it on Netflix, just look at the amount of detail we've put in. There's a whole process of DI that gets done after that, which is your coloring system. So it had to match to the next shot. So when you watch it, it looked like seamless. Of course, without saying, the lion sequence was very challenging. The last shot of his opening of the jaw was something which was very challenging for us. And it's a tricky part for everyone out there. He actually changed his hand position in the end because it just felt more iconic. So that is also the image of the Chava novel right now. So just I hope you can go back and watch this film in more details.
Can you tell us about the best compliment you received for the Chava VFX?
So I think the most amazing compliment was, especially my mom, when she saw that sequence. She got scared. She said like, you actually shot the lion or not. Then I showed her the process, and she still could not believe that is actually a lion. So that for me was a very big compliment, and a compliment to everyone out there that when you do a film, it's for general audience, not for you as technical or any other technical part. So make sure when you make something, it is for general audience that everyone can understand and everyone can relate to it. So I think that was one of the most and all the invisible effects which you don't see when we see the making, you get to see all of it.
Yeah, can you tell us about the other movies you have done VFX for?
So we were also fortunate to work on Rocketry by R. Madhavan. I think it was a starting point for us. We predominantly are CG-based studios, so we even approached it in a very different way. We built shots which were fully CGI. There was some explosion shot, and all the engine shots that you see are all done through like full simulation and rendered fully with that. I think I would also give a lot of credit to Maddie R. Madhavan, who did his study so well. Like, he's an engineer by his heart and by his brain. He's amazing and flawless. Like, if you go to him, he's a multitasker. So it was amazing to work with him. It didn't feel like you're working with a director or like an actor. It just felt like he's a friend, and that brings to show how majestic he was. So I think for us, the most complex shot for that was how our dialogue started was there's one rocket launch shot which is one long shot of rocket which has a lot of simulation that we did for the smoke and explosions. So I think for me that was a proud moment that when we saw that on theatre.
Thank you so much, Vijay sir.
Thank you.